Most importantly, the educative aspect of infertility and fertility itself, the prevention, because fertility in itself, or infertility as it were, does not always require a sledgehammer approach. And I'm saying sledgehammer approach because most people, when they think of infertility, they think of IVF or some, assisted technology and some big, treatment that needs to be done. It is very important for us to know that second to education and getting knowledge about how to prevent infertility early on in life is very, very important. And then, of course, testing to know exactly what the issue is to go through the fertility journey.